Okay, today I'm going to be reviewing the iBaby M6 baby monitor. And as you can see, this guy's round in shape, and that's really great for positioning the baby monitor and having the best angle to view your baby and baby room. As you heard and saw there, it comes with this little magnetic tray to keep him in place, so that's great. It's very easy to set up. It just required the iPhone 6 cord. I think it's mini USB, so that was pretty easy to install. So let's go check out the app on the phone. So here it is, this pink guy. And that's a live feed right there, so I can scroll. And you can go up and down, left and right. So it's very cool. And then it has a bunch of different options here. So if I want to talk to the baby, I just hit speak, and then you'll be able to hear it. Via the camera there. And it's very clear, good sound quality. There's a little bit of delay or feedback here in the room because I'm speaking to it whilst I'm in the actual room. But and then you can also hit the listen button, and therefore anything that happens in the room, so when the baby's crying or making sounds, you'll be able to hear those, and you can hear those at the same time as having the speak function, so both those functions work together, so you can speak to it. I'll turn it off now because it's doing my head in with the sound there. But you can also hit the record button and take recordings, so you can move the screen around. Maybe the baby's doing something cute, you want to capture it, just press the stop button and then go to the top right hand corner here for the gallery, and then it shows you all the videos you've made. As you can see, it also has nighttime capabilities because it's got infrared, and so it takes pretty good nighttime recordings as well, or screenshots and photos, so that's really good too, and that's one I did a couple of nights ago. You can also play some preset baby music to the baby. So for example, let's go with the alphabet song. And you can adjust the volume as well, which is really cool. Very clear, very loud. It goes very nicely with the other features, so that's great. The only slight limitation with this preset baby music here is that you can't view the screen at the same time as playing that music. So once you exit that screen, the music stops. But you could always just record your own music, or you want to sing to the baby and just hit that speak button there. And then this middle button, as you just saw I accidentally pressed, actually takes screen captures, little photographs of the baby, and stores them in your gallery as well. And then you do have some other options here. So for example, you can add a camera if you have more than one camera. You have alert settings, so that has sensitivity levels, so you can set the motion alert, so the baby's moving around, and the same with the sound. If the baby's making noise, then it will alert you. So that's pretty cool. You can invite friends and family members, and they can also download the app, and you can change the settings to allow them to also maneuver the video and also take pictures and that kind of good stuff, and then they can see the baby live as well. So all in all, lots of really good features. The settings, you can also change the display settings. So for example, if you don't want night vision on, then you can turn that off, or keep it on, whatever you want to do. And then resolution, for example, if your phone's struggling to handle the video feed, you can lower the resolution or up it. I think it was standard, default was medium, so I just went ahead and put it on high. So yeah, all in all, some really good features. Very happy with it. I think it's great value for money. It's quite amazing how far technology has come. You can be at work, as long as you have internet or cell phone reception, you can you can check out and see what's happening at home in your baby's room. So all in all, very, very good purchase indeed, and we personally love this app. So hopefully this will help your own purchasing decision, and hopefully you found the video very helpful. So thanks a lot.